Hey everyone, welcome to today's video on how to activate your Joker Visa Card in 2025. If you're excited about unlocking all the new features this year, like enhanced security and seamless mobile payments, you're in the right place. Activating your card is straightforward and only takes a few minutes, but I'll guide you through it step by step to make sure you don't miss a thing. First, gather what you need: your Joker Visa Card, which should have an activation code on it, and access to your email or phone for verification. This code is your key to getting started, so keep it handy. Step 1. Head to the official Joker Visa website at joker-visa.com/activate. It's the secure spot for 2025 activations, so avoid any shady sites to protect your info. Step 2. Log in to your account. If you're a new user, you'll need to create one using your card details and some basic personal information like your name and address. Step 3. Enter the activation code from your card. Double-check it for accuracy to prevent any delays. Step 4. Verify your identity. The system might send a one-time code to your registered phone or email, so keep an eye on those. Step 5. Confirm the activation. Once everything matches up, your card will be activated instantly. You'll get a confirmation message, and you're good to go for shopping, online transactions, and more. A quick tip: if you encounter any issues, like an error message, check your internet connection or contact Joker Visa's 24/7 support. Also, remember to update your card details in any apps or wallets for the best experience in 2025. There you have it, you're all set. Activating your Joker Visa Card is that simple. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more handy guides, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.